Hello everybody, it's Cranky here. Today I've got this lock. I've bought a few items from AliExpress just to, well, have a look and see if they're just as bad as what everybody says they are, and, well, yeah, they have been so far, but I did it because people now, sometimes, especially people are trying to save money, and these places advertise that, you know, oh, save money on this, the pictures of the items look amazing, you know, some of them have offers, and some items can be as low as a few pence, 40 odd pence, 50 odd pence. So yeah, so this is one of the items that I got. I think it was about £5 or £6 in the end, because I didn't use the 40 odd pence welcome offer on this one, but what it looks like, it says it's the Yuqi lock, and if we open it up, we'll see it's, get that there, get everything out of the box, and the keys. Oops. Sorry for the noise. There we are, so you can see it's, you know, like a door latch lock. Already can see it's very, very cheap. You know, the bolt there, the latch, which I'm sure will probably break in a few moments. The plate for the door, which, oh, there we are, look. SE Lock and Key does a better thing than me on this, but yep, there we are. And that's the key. So okay. So I imagine, so that would be the open. That would be the unlock. Oh, and that would be the lock. Okay, so you'd lock it like that. You'd go out. You'd come back. You'd unlock it like that. You can get in. And then I assume then you'd lock it from the inside. Then, so let's have a look. See how quickly someone, so it's unlocked at the moment. So we're picking it up. So picking it that way. So let's have a look. See if it is possible. Let's just try raking it first. Oh, there we are. I've got it. No, that's a turning tool. Oh, thought it was too easy. That's the turning tool again. Let me get a better one. I'm probably just breaking the metal in it, and the turning tools are just. Okay. So let's see if we can pick it then. That's one. 2. I think I'm gonna have to try top of the keyway because this metal is just bending. Can this one do it? Let's try this. thought this would have been a lot easier than what it is. I'm sure it's this, because I can't tension it right. Because all it's doing is just bending the metal. Get to the pins. I'm not gonna let something like this beat me. No way. So, I think I'm just bending everything in it. At last. Woohoo! That's a bit in again. Not sure if it'll still work. Oh yeah. Can we open it? Yes. Of course, if you want to leave by now, thank you for watching. If you don't want to see the gutting. But let's just see if I can get this open. Let's have a look. So this needs to come off. I'm probably just going to wreck this because I'm not going to need it anymore. I don't think those screws will make a difference, so... Oops. So that's a ring by the look of it. So do these need to... twist? That's that one. I'm not sure you're meant to actually be getting in this, but I want to see what's inside. Hopefully without injuring myself. Right, oh, there we are. Let's take all that out. All this. Yay. Oh. Right, so now something needs to go in there. There's one at that side. Oh. Can this all come out now? Yes! I didn't think I'd get it. Oh, this is all just plastic. It is all just plastic. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting, but... Right. that's probably about the right size, maybe. Might be a bit bigger. Maybe that one next rainbow. Right, let's get this clip off. Oh, it's just plastic. It really is all just plastic. I don't suppose I didn't expect too high a quality. Don't even think that's metal. Right, there's a key. Just gonna. Oh, I already messed it up. Because something dropped down. I felt it. Yeah, something's dropped into something. Ah! Right, we're gonna have to go the top way a bit. So it's definitely a disaster already. Okay. So let's do the top one first. Oh, that's all the springs coming out everywhere. Right, okay. That's number one. Number two. Oh, don't know what that one is. You know what? Let's just get them out. Something's stuck in there. That's it. And you can see there, look, the two drop down into the bits of cut out. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is 2. That must have been 3. Okay, so they're the top pins. And now let's look at the key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get this crap out of the way. So they're all the springs. Where's my tweezers? So just set all these properly. So it looks like you've got sort of a spool. Oh, focus. Sort of a. Tell you what, I'll just zoom in. I'm having Bosnian Bill camera problems today. So, there we are. So, this one is sort of a spool. That looks to be sort of a spool. Oh, they all look to be sort of spools, but... see if I can pick it up. There, look. Wow. So they're probably only the metal, apart from the springs, the only things that were really metal on it. And that's the core. That is just, like I say, it's just bending. It's cheap as that. Well, it's all cheap. That's plastic and, you know. Yeah. Well, there you are. That was the Yuqi lock from AliExpress. So, yeah. as we expected, I suppose. Alright, thank you everybody that stayed to the end. If you really like this, please like and subscribe, it really does help out. Thank you everybody, take care, and I will see you all again soon. Bye bye.